Welcome back to DeepSouthEdc. Today we're going to be checking out this thing, the Gerber Dime. So we just received this as a replacement for our Gerber Suspension Mini tool that actually broke while we were testing it. And I have to say the Gerber warranty system was pretty seamless. I sent them an email and I got a confirmation like a week and a half later that my new tool was being sent over. I didn't have to send anything back or anything. And what I think I got is actually an upgrade. So without further ado, let's just check it out. All right, let's check out the tools. So we got a bottle opener here. We got a pair of tweezers here. Now the tweezers doesn't look like they open up very much and they're kind of bent up already. So I'm not sure how well those will work. All right, on this side, let's just start here. All right, we got a pair of scissors. Let's try them out. They work a lot better than like the scissors that come on the SOG Power Pint. So those worked out pretty good. All right, on this side, looks like we just got a flathead screwdriver. On this other side, we got a small file, but the bottle opener is almost too far in the way for it to be effective, really. And then it has just a tiny little flathead there. All right. On the other side, we got like looks like just a little small blade, like, you know, maybe to open boxes or packages. Nice and sharp. All right, we got our little knife there. Not very sharp at all. Yeah, this thing definitely needs some work. It's not even taking hair off my hand or anything. So that could use some work. All right, now the main part of the tool, the pliers, they are spring loaded here. I'm going to do the test. Now, before I do the test, I want to say I do get a lot of comments about this one that people say that the wire is too thick. Well, here is the SOG Power Pint. Cuts through the wire like butter. So that's the test. So let's see if the Gerber Dime can pass the test. And yeah, it took some work, but the Gerber Dime definitely passed the test. So, a lot better than the last Gerber tool we tested. All right, it is DeepSouthEdc. Looks like we got some rain that's going to start. So, you know what we like to do is try to get a fire going. So I got some fat wood here. Now this little knife is sharp enough to cut through, get us some shavings of wood. So not a complete loss. Just get some quick shavings for y'all. I got a new tabletop. It's an old sign, just using the back of it, so thought it'd fit our purposes. That way I don't need to bust out that stone thing every time we want to start a fire. All right. I mean, it picked up those shavings all right. Now, none of the tools lock, so I'm not going to try to do any scraping with it. But we'll see what we can do. Now, which tool would be best to start the fire? I don't know. All of these tools are also like coated. All right, let's try the little box knife. There's like a little perfect groove in there. We'll see what we can do. Let's try to fluff this up a little more, maybe. There we go. All right, box cutter is the tool for the ferro rod. We might have messed it up a little, but that's how we roll. So there you go, guys. That was the Gerber Dime, our Gerber replacement for the tool from the other video. I would say that this one is a lot better than the one we had before. So anyway, guys, if you liked this video, please hit that like button. If you watch this on Rumble, smash that Rumble button. Follow me everywhere at DeepSouthEdc. I'm on Minds, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Rumble, and of course, YouTube. Remember, everybody, stay well regulated. It's a crazy world we're living in right now. Peace.